And Detroit, Michigan, is surely the birthplace of a V8 muscle car. But where the heck on this forsaken planet, I hear you cry, do off-road vehicles with bespoke racking solutions and Chapter 8 compliant reflective liveries herald from Cirencester, obviously. Established in 2002, Mitsubishi's Specialist Vehicle Operations Division modifies Shoguns, L200 pickups and Outlander PHEVs for telecoms companies, utility companies and police forces. Based in a sprawling unit on a busy industrial estate on the edge of the Cotswolds, M-SVO counts the Ministry of Defense, Sky, BT, the Metropolitan Police and the Highways Agency among its clients. We were set up to help our fleet sales guys sell more cars, says M-SVO manager Darren Hughes. We started with one technician helping with police builds and it just kept on growing. Now we have 17 people working here and we build around 350 cars every year. It isn't restoration capability or vehicle preparation that sets M-SVO apart, though, reckons Hughes. Instead, it's the division's experience with the product. Having worked exclusively with Mitsubishis since it was formed 15 years ago, M-SVO knows better than anybody else how much racking can be squeezed into the back of an L200, or how much weight can be added to a Shogun before you need to think about upgrading the suspension. We never like to say no to a client, unless what they want is unsafe, Hughes said. The most specialist thing we do here is dog unit conversions for the police. Those Shoguns take around 80 hours. They have 2 kennels at the back with air conditioning and lighting. The car will come in and will be checked over to make sure it's working as it should. Then pretty much everything inside gets stripped out, so we can run wires for communications systems from the front to the back. Those wires have got to go in a very particular way. Then the interior goes in and we fit the light bars. The livery is applied.